problems that we were going to be tackling. The next one is going to be, actually, I have been bound to the activity for more than 3 days a week. And the third problem would be, I cannot accept having been cheated, and I want the council to quit now. Council teacher to quit now. So to explain that a little bit further, Alex.
Alright, so as you can see here, we broke it up into 3 separate categories, which is job/commitment problem, communication problem, and emotional issues. And starting with the job and communication problem, we can specify that as the problem being he spends too much time doing student council activity. And from the point of view of the student, same goes for all the rest of the stuff too. Everything's from the point of view of the student. So moving on to the communication problem, is instead of assuming that the teacher lied, because we don't really have any information saying that he just straight up lied. So basically, what we wrote down was there was a miscommunication, as in maybe he didn't get the correct information, or maybe someone else told him that, oh, it's just 1 day. So we're not entirely sure about that. So in terms of communication problem, basically the teacher has misled, quote unquote, in some way about the schedule. And the last one, emotional issues. Basically, he's pissed off, and to kind of indicate how upset he is, he wants the teacher to quit the position of the student council leader. So yeah, that's the problems we got.
For a second.
Yep.
Okay, yeah, so now we have like our causes. So we went through kind of possible causes. No doubt there are things that we've probably missed, but essentially coming to the job commitment problem, we're saying that there's not good management of time in the student council, and that maybe is why it's longer than first promised. Not sufficient human power in the student council. So a personal issue, so we're talking about busy with other things. There's not much time to do council activities, so that's why it was applied for, because of the promise of the 1 day. And he doesn't want to spend 3+ days per week at the student council, you know, maybe just because of free time. So we broke that down to personal issues and student council inefficiency on the job side. On the communication side, we have can't communicate well with the teacher. That could be the teacher's fault or the student's fault. But, you know, regardless of where it comes from, that is the truth in the situation. Also, potentially signed up without the correct information. Now, it could be that, you know, the information wasn't out there, or it also could be that the student didn't get the correct information or didn't try to get the correct information. But again, it's not about who's at fault, it's more about what actually happened. Then the emotional issue, it's the boy is upset, and he wants the council teacher to quit, as Alex said. So that's come from the fact that he can't accept the feeling that he's been cheated in some way. So that's basically where the emotional issue comes from. Okay. Now to the solutions. Do you want to turn around?